Hey, hello. Jeff from Smoking T-Jets, guys. Look, this is what I got going up on eBay next. I got a white and a yellow, and these are the hot rods that are Auroras. And what I did is I grabbed a couple of the Dash Chrome kits, and I modified the Aurora hot rods, and I turned them into like the super modified. You know, I got the big slicks in the back and everything like that. So it's the Dash Chrome kit, but it's the Aurora chassis, the T-Jet chassis, and it's the T-Jet body as well, but the Chrome kit is the Dash there, guys. But then I took it a step further. I like having fun with like putting lights in these things and turn them into flamethrowers. So what I did is I added an engine light to both of them. What I'll do is I'll put them on the track so you can see what the engine light looks like, when they hit the juice. Pretty cool. Just a sec, guys. All right, just got the yellow one on the track there, guys. Give it some juice. There you go. Look at that engine light. Isn't that cool? Running around the track like that, the engine light going on. It's just like over the top. Very cool. And here's the white one. Look at that. The white engine light goes on. I mean, just gradual a little bit, or it can just floor it, a little bit more light there. Just love it. It's just a blast going around the track with engine lights on. Just a little bit something special with them. Just a little bit something special. Very cool. All right. Hey, I hope you like these. You're bidding on both of them, guys. Not either one. You're bidding on both of them. They're a blast. They both run great. Great running chassis. Again, the engine light. It's an Aurora chassis. It is the Dash Chrome kit, and it is the Aurora bodies, like from the hot rods and things like that. So that's what you're getting, guys. And again, feel confident about bidding, because when you win the bid, when you win the auction, guys, you pay for it. I ship this stuff out immediately. I don't fuss around with the shipping. I make sure you guys get it right away. All right, have fun bidding, guys. This is Jeff from Smoking T-Jets.